What is up, my friends? Welcome back to another video. Today we're doing a little video with peanut butter and we're testing out another cleaning hack. Let's see what we can do. So if you look on the window here, I've got some sticky stuff. I've got some sticky, icky residue on there. And supposedly what we do is put some peanut butter on there, let it sit, let the oils in the peanut butter loosen this stuff up. And then we're supposed to be able to take a cloth and wipe away and the sticky residue come right off the window here. So let's see if it works. Probably about right in there. Think that'll do? Let's try that. I'll just take and rub this on there. Right like that. Maybe a little more. Just a thin enough layer to where you cover all of the residue. I'm just kind of going to do like that. And I'm going to let this sit for a while and see if it will loosen that up. Okay, so it's been about an hour, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to use some paper towels and try to just give this a wipe to see if the stuff comes right off. If there's any remnants remaining, then I'm going to see if it at least loosened it up, and we'll try to use a plastic scraper to see if it comes off. Moment of truth. It still feels like it's on there good. Let's see if the scraper will help at all. This is just a regular old plastic scraper. Let's see if this will remove it. Did it loosen it up enough? It's still on there pretty good. No, I'm not impressed. I still got a lot of sticky stuff on there. Well, that's disappointing. So what are we going to rate this cleaning hack on a scale of do not try, indifferent, or yay? I'm going to have to give this cleaning hack a do not try. It's a waste of time. It doesn't work. You're better off just using some Goo Gone. Spray some Goo Gone on there. Grab your paper towel and rub, and it should remove that residue. Really simple and easy. Don't waste your time. It doesn't work. Use peanut butter to remove sticky residue from your window. Fake news.